Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example. You can force restart it just by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me press this button and keep pressing. As you can see, we've got also this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. And here we've got also the information that you may press and hold power button for over 10 seconds to force restart your device. As you can see, we've got the developer's logo. I felt the vibration, which means that we just successfully force restarted our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.